Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can buy or invest in bonds on the Revolut app. So let's get started. Now once you set up your account, you will be on your homepage right here. So to start investing, you would need to go to the Invest tab right here from your homepage. Now at your Invest tab, you could see your whole investment portfolio on Revolut, minus the crypto section. So from here to find bonds, you would just need to scroll down a bit until you can see the products section. So on this section, to invest in bonds, just go ahead and select bonds. And here is a number of bonds that they offer on the Revolut app. So let's say that I want to purchase some bonds of Austria. Now I'll just tap on Austria. And on the stats section, you can see the dirty price, the bond yield, and yield to maturity. If you scroll down a bit more, you can also see the credit quality and some other information related to this bond. So let's say that you want to purchase this bond. So just go ahead and tap on buy, and then you would need to select the number of lots. So let's say 20. So for 20 lots of Austrian bonds, I would need to pay 21 euros and 64 cents. So once you selected your number of lots, you can click review right here. So on the review tab, you would be able to see the transaction with a bit more detail. So the traded value is 20 euros and 64 cents, and the flat fee for buying bonds on Revolut is 1 euro. So the total cost is 21.64. Now to complete the purchase of 20 lots, you would just need to click submit right here. And once you click submit, your order will be processed at the next available time, so as soon as possible. Now, once you purchase some bonds, you can go back to your invest section, and here you will be able to see your portfolio value. So that's guys how you can invest or buy bonds on the Revolut app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.